In this video, I'm excited to show you how you can earn daily commissions from Amazon by making AI-generated videos using ChatGPT. I'll walk you through the process step by step and give you some tips to help you achieve results faster. Just a quick reminder, building a successful online business takes time and effort. So if you're willing to put in the work, you can see great results. Be sure to watch until the end to get all the information you need. Let's dive in. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, it's an incredible chatbot that can provide answers relevant to the conversation. In this tutorial, we're going to use ChatGPT to help us earn commissions from Amazon. Curious to know how we're going to do it and what you need to get started? Don't worry, I'll explain everything step by step. Now, if you go to YouTube and search for best lighting for YouTube videos, for example, many results will appear, as you can see. If you look closely at the description box of those videos, you'll often find Amazon links for the products mentioned. Here's the cool part. Those links are often affiliate links, which means that if a viewer clicks on the link and buys the product, the content creator earns a commission from Amazon. And this is exactly what we're going to do. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to launch a similar YouTube channel, build a community, and earn commissions from Amazon products. The best part about this process is that ChatGPT does most of the work for you, which means you can save a lot of time and effort. And if you're not comfortable making videos yourself, don't worry, because I'll show you how to outsource everything. The first step in launching your YouTube channel is to pick a niche. I recommend choosing something that you're genuinely interested in, because you'll be more likely to stick with it long term. You could choose a broad category like health, relationship, tech, sports, pets, and more. Or you could narrow it down to a sub-niche like football in sports or supplements in the health category. If you're still unsure, try browsing through Amazon product categories to get some inspiration. The next step is to join the Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. To get started, click on the Sign Up button and follow the instructions. Amazon might ask you to provide a link to your traffic source, so I suggest creating your YouTube channel first, uploading at least one video, and then signing up afterward. But most of the time, getting accepted is not an issue, so don't worry too much. Now comes the fun part, creating videos for your channel. And here's my number one tip for you. Please don't guess what videos to upload to your channel. Instead, find what's already working and replicate it. But don't worry, I'm not suggesting you steal other people's work. Rather, you can create something similar to what's already working, and don't try to reinvent the wheel. Here's a simple way to find successful video ideas. Go to YouTube and search for your keywords. For example, best lighting for YouTube videos. Then go to Filters and set the upload date to this month or this week and sort by view count. Now, you can see all recently uploaded videos that have proven to work. Spend some time looking at different videos and pick your favorite one to use as a starting point. Great! Now that you've chosen your preferred video, it's time to analyze and take notes. Pay attention to what benefits your competitor talks about the most, and check the comment section to see what people like and dislike about the video. Even though this process might take some time, trust me, it's worth it, because this is how business works. Understanding your competitors and knowing your customers' problems is essential to standing out and providing a better solution. So take your time, analyze, and take notes to create a unique and compelling video that meets your viewers' needs. Now that you know your video topic and which sections to include, it's time to start using ChatGPT to create your video. But before we begin, don't forget to make a list of the products you want to promote and generate your Amazon affiliate link to put in the description afterward. This is how you earn your commissions, so it's crucial not to forget it. Once you have your list ready, let's jump into creating your video with ChatGPT. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see what you'll come up with. Starting your video with something catchy is crucial to get viewers' attention. A great way to do that is by explaining why the topic you're covering is essential. In this case, how important is the lighting setup for the growth of a YouTube channel? Now, the good news is you can use ChatGPT to generate a professional and catchy intro for your video. Just set the tone, ask the ChatGPT to generate your intro, and you're ready to go. As you can see, the chatbot has generated an intro, and you can now adjust it to your liking. The second section will be about tips for improving lighting in YouTube videos. So again, I will do the same as the intro, but this time I'll set the tone to educational and let the chatbot do the work. Don't forget to include the products you want to promote in your video. This could be by explaining the products and talking about the pros and cons of each one. Just copy the product name, go back to ChatGPT and type product, then paste the name, and finally set the action to write the pros and cons, and like magic, you'll get an answer. Just continue to do that for all the products on your list. As you can see, we now start to have a video script. If you're wondering how to make these videos, don't worry, I've got you covered. I have two options for you depending on your budget. The first option is completely free, and it involves producing the video yourself. You can use your phone to record a voiceover and learn how to edit a simple video using free software like Filmora. And don't worry about footage, because you can get royalty-free videos from websites like Pexels.com and use free music from YouTube's audio library. Another option you have to create your videos is to outsource everything to freelancers. You can hire a voice actor to do the voiceover and an editor to edit the video. And there are many talented freelancers out there to choose from within your budget. It's a faster and easier way to get things done. But of course, it all requires an investment of money. On the other hand, if you use the free option, you'll need to invest your time to learn how to record and edit the video yourself. But either way, the most important thing is to put in the work to make your videos the best they can be. You've made it to the final step of creating your video, which is designing a thumbnail and creating a compelling title. You can easily get inspiration for your thumbnail from ChatGPT by asking for thumbnail ideas based on your video topic. Then, with the help of a free website like Canva, you can turn your idea into a visually stunning thumbnail. Don't forget to generate a video title with ChatGPT that will capture the viewer's attention and accurately describe what they can expect to see in your video. Once you've completed these steps, your video will be ready to upload and share with the world. When you upload your video, don't forget to add those affiliate links in the description so you can start earning those commissions from Amazon. Just remember, consistency is key to success with this method. If your first video doesn't get any views, don't give up. Trust that your hard work will pay off in the long run and keep pushing forward. It's time to wrap up today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you want more of these juicy business ideas, don't be shy. Drop a comment below and I'll make sure to deliver. Oh, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the fun. It's been a pleasure sharing my knowledge with you. And until next time, stay awesome.